Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Lovers. So how are you friends? I hope you will be fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you beautiful and stylish party wear high heels shoes designs ideas. So guys, these are very beautiful, stylish and trendy. I am showing you the best and trending design of 2021. You can get ideas from my videos about color contrast, and I hope you will like my all design. So friends, I must suggest you to please watch my video till the end and get design ideas from my video. This video for those ladies who loves party wear high heel, pump shoes. All designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. And friends, if you want to buy such types of party wear high heel shoes online, many websites sell these types of shoes like www.ebay.com, www.amazon.com and www.canstudio.com. So guys, you can buy these beautiful and stylish party wear high heel shoes online from there. My dear friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and you will never miss any video of my channel. So guys, I always try to bring useful design and useful content. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the video and how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section. And friends, to support me by sharing my video with your friends, your relatives and your family. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, more ideas and more design. So guys, now goodbye till the next new collection of my channel, and thanks for watching my video.